Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome on this laptop. To do it, open your default web browser or Microsoft Edge. Then open the search engine and search for Google Chrome. Now the first search result will be the Google Chrome web browser on the official Google Chrome website. Open it, then click on the download Chrome icon right here. Wait until the setup file is installed, is downloaded, then click on it. Then click yes, and at this point you can close this browser and just wait until the Google Chrome browser is downloaded and installed. After that, it will open automatically. Once the browser is opened, you can choose whether you want to sign in or don't sign in by clicking this icon right here. Now, if you want to set it as your default browser, you can click right here, otherwise click skip. After that, you can decide whether you want or don't want to turn on the Add Privacy feature. To turn it on, click right here. To turn it off, click right here. After that, click Got it, and now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.